Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today we are going to be arting some Dum Dum suckers. I'm using my Arteza brush pens. And color pencils too. Mostly Arteza brush pens. You can see that I used a protractor, or is it a compass? One of those two, to help get circles on my paper for the base of the Dum Dums. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. I just wanted to this time just to see if it helped me. And it did help get a better circle than freehand for me. And then I went in, after I drew the circle, the Dum Dums with the wrappers on it aren't really circles, but that was just helped me get my base shape and work, and made it easier for me to draw in the shapes of the wrappers. I did this off of a picture that I took of some Dum Dum lollipops that we had at the house left over from Halloween. And don't be scared to turn your working surface to where you can have a better angle on what you're working with or working on. Right now I'm working on the mystery Dum Dum. It is really fun. It was fun to draw these, just to see how realistic I can get it to look. So it's a mystery flavor, a lemon flavor, a green apple flavor, and strawberry flavor Dum Dum. And the good thing about these Arteza brush pens is they are water soluble, so you can use them kind of like watercolor, give you watercolors. I kind of preferred it with a more white background, but I didn't want the lines of these sticks to show, look like it was drawn. So then I went in with a brown for the backdrop. I wish I would have made it look a little bit more like wood, because the picture I took of it, it was on my dining room table, which is a wood table, but I wanted the lollipops to be the star of the show, not the table. But I think I should have left it white with maybe a gray backdrop. Next time, if I do it again, I'll probably go with a gray backdrop instead of brown. But I'm still really pleased on how it turned out. Nope, I'd only used the Arteza brush pens. I thought maybe I had pulled some color pencils, but I didn't. But these brush pens are very versatile. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.